Have you ever thought about how artificial intelligence might misinterpret a mantid's hunting strategy? It may sound odd, but let's explore how this could shift your view on both nature and technology. What if I told you that I misjudging mantid behavior could have serious consequences for entire ecosystems? This is just a skiffy scenario. It's happening right now, and many of us are unaware. Imagine a tranquil garden buzzing with life. But what if an eye designed to observe this natural scene completely misunderstood its actions? It might seem trivial, but the fallout can be significant. You might wonder how I could misread such a straightforward predator. The truth is, when algorithms overlook the subtle details of predation, they can misinterpret crucial information, leading to flawed research and potentially harmful ecological decisions. Consider scientists relying on data from drones programmed to study mantid hunting strategies. They make critical choices based on this information. But what if the eye mistakenly labeled the mantids as ineffective hunters? This could misdirect conservation efforts and threaten other species in the same ecosystem. Recall your last stroll through a park. Now picture an eye observing, learning, and getting it all wrong. The consequences of that error could be far more significant than just a simple mistake. As these misjudgments accumulate, ecosystems become increasingly fragile. We're not just talking about mantids, we're looking at a delicate balance that could collapse unexpectedly. It's both fascinating and concerning to think about. So, what can we do? We need to bridge the gap between technology and the complex behaviors of living organisms. Scientists must collaborate closely with AI developers to ensure that algorithms accurately reflect the intricate realities of nature. This collaboration isn't just a fix, it's essential for our survival. Understanding mantid behavior could be vital for preserving biodiversity and maintaining ecological health. As we navigate this intersection of technology and nature, remember, every decision counts. The next time you see a mantid, consider its role in the bigger picture of life. We all have a part to play in this conversation. So, what's your role in this unfolding story? Take a moment to reflect and maybe share your thoughts. Your insights could be a crucial piece of the solution. Have you ever marveled at the incredible precision of a mantid in the wild? Now, imagine if artificial intelligence misinterpreted their hunting strategies. What could that mean for us? You might be surprised to learn that ecological research is on the brink of a technological revolution. But what happens if that technology gets it wrong? Many people overlook the fascinating details of how these remarkable creatures hunt. Picture this: a scientist uses AI to monitor mantids in their natural habitat, tracking their movements and predicting their hunting behaviors. Sounds efficient, right? But what if the AI misses the subtleties of their actions? The consequences could be alarming. If this misunderstanding leads to flawed data, researchers might draw incorrect conclusions about the role these insects play in their ecosystems. This is just a minor mistake. It could impact how we manage entire ecosystems. As you watch footage of mantids poised to strike, think about the potential ripple effects. If we don't truly understand their hunting methods, we risk upsetting the balance of nature itself. Imagine an ecosystem slowly unraveling due to a technological oversight. Now let's take a step back. Picture yourself in the field observing mantids through binoculars. You see their behavior, but the eye presents a different narrative. Relying solely on that data could lead you down a dangerous path. Tension mounts as researchers grapple with conflicting information. The stakes are high and the pressure is on. What do they do when the technology they've relied on leads them astray? Amid this chaos, solutions start to take shape. Researchers are recalibrating their approaches, blending human intuition with AI analysis. Learning to harmonize technology with nature ensuring the integrity of their findings remains intact. The relationship between eye and ecological research is delicate. As you ponder this, consider how crucial it is to question the tools we use. Sometimes the most advanced technology can obscure the intricate beauty of nature. So the next time you hear about eye and ecological research, think of the mantids. Stay curious and keep exploring. Truth is often hidden just beneath the surface. Have you ever considered what happens when I misinterprets the subtle hunting strategies of mantids? It might seem far-fetched, but the potential consequences could be alarming. You might think it's just a bug, but this tiny predator plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Ignoring their warning signs could lead to disaster. Imagine a vibrant garden, alive with plants and buzzing with life. You hear crickets chirping, see butterflies fluttering, and lurking in the shadows is a mantid patiently waiting. But what if that mantid misreads its prey? What if I, in its quest to understand these creatures, gets it wrong? Such a mistake may seem minor, but let's consider this: an ecosystem thrives on balance, and mantids are key players. They help control pest populations, ensuring gardens flourish. If I miscalculates their hunting patterns, we could see a surge in pests, creating chaos. Picture a farmer who relies on these natural predators. One morning, they wake up to find their crops devastated because the eye analyzing the ecosystem missed a crucial detail. The farmer trusted technology, but nature doesn't always follow predictable rules. Now, think about the ripple effect. If pests multiply unchecked, they won't just ruin crops, they'll disrupt local food chains. Birds that once fed on those pests will struggle to find food, and the entire ecological balance could start to collapse. We're only beginning to grasp the depth of this issue. The technology we rely on is faltering, and many of us remain unaware. It's not just about mantids, it's about our dependence on eye to understand nature. What happens when the data we input is flawed? As this tension grows, a crucial question emerges: how do we address this? The answer lies in paying closer attention to those tiny warning signs. Instead of relying solely